Commander-in-Chief of the Malaysian Army, following the signing of the ceasefire agreement on the night of July 28, 2025, between the Kingdom of Cambodia and Thailand. On the morning of July 30, 2025, a high-level delegation led by the Commander-in-Chief of the Malaysian Army, the Ambassador of the United Kingdom, the Ambassador of the Republic of Singapore, and various military attachés and regiments stationed in the Kingdom of Cambodia, were invited to conduct direct inspections and observations along the Cambodian-Siamese borderline and the area around the Preah Vihear Temple, which is an important Khmer cultural heritage. The main objective of the visit was to assess the actual situation in the border area, review the implementation of the recently signed ceasefire agreement, and develop specific procedures and mechanisms to ensure that the agreement is implemented effectively and brings positive results. The delegation focused on examining the situation on the ground, observing the deployment of troops, the activities of military forces on both sides, and the general situation in the area around the Preah Vihear Temple. The inspection also included discussions with relevant parties to understand the challenges and prepare appropriate plans for the successful implementation of the agreement. During the inspection, the delegation observed that the armies of both countries have shown their commitment to respecting the ceasefire agreement, with tensions in the border areas decreasing. However, the delegation also recommended continued regular monitoring and increased cooperation between the two sides to avoid any incidents that could disrupt stability, especially the Thai side, which has consistently failed to comply with the law and the agreement in the past. The observation also focused on examining the infrastructure and logistical arrangements in the area to support the smooth implementation of the agreement. The presence of the Commander-in-Chief of the Malaysian Army, the British ambassador and the Singaporean ambassador confirmed the strong support of the international community for the efforts of Cambodia and Thailand to resolve the conflict peacefully. The participation of these friendly countries also helped to enhance mutual trust and understanding between the Cambodian and Thai armies. In addition, the delegation suggested increasing the exchange of information between the two sides to ensure that the ceasefire agreement would bring about lasting peace. This inspection will be the basis for further planning so that the ceasefire agreement is not only implemented, but also contributes to a permanent settlement of the border dispute and the strengthening of bilateral relations between Cambodia and Thailand. The results of this visit will be reported to the relevant parties and used as a reference for planning the next steps to ensure stability and peace in the border area. I would like to thank everyone who took the time to watch this information video. Please click subscribe, like, and share the video with each other. If there are any shortcomings or you want to add, please give your comments in the comments. I am happy to accept improvements. Sorry for any mistakes and see you in the next video. Wishing you good health, good luck, and best wishes.